Hi, I'm Greg Souls from Darwin Perennials. Typically in the industry, as I mentioned earlier, what we're used to doing is selling half-off perennials in the fall. Look at this bench around me. Garden centers are typically filled with garden mums. Now, I love garden mums as much as the next guy, but a typical garden mum has a shelf life of 3 to 4 weeks. A lot of these perennials, like Coreopsis uptick, will have like a 10-week shelf life. So if I'm a consumer and I'm taking something home to decorate my porch, I think this is a consumer value. Fall for perennials is a very good thing for decorating, and just like I said before about my children, maybe someday they'll put them in the ground and these will come back next year as well.